Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anu Olatuji, aka Anu Gbemidebe. Yes, that is my nickname, Anu Gbemidebe. All right, I am the president and founder of Anu Olatuji Foundation. In case you are watching me for the first time, please do me a favor to subscribe right in my YouTube channel, Anu Gbemi Deben. I promise you will never regret ever following me. Thank you so much. Those who have subscribed to this YouTube channel, God bless you. Stay tuned and enjoy another episode of Smoothie, my journey as smoothie. You know what? I love smoothie a lot. So today, I'm going to be adding cucumber. I say cucumber. I say cucumber. I so much love cucumber a lot. So I'm going to be adding cucumber into today's recipe. I mean, today's smoothie. Cucumber. And guess what? I'm going to be adding this again, tangerine. So we have our banana. We have our grapes. I have my carrots, of course. This is cucumber. This is carrots. This is carrot. This is tangerine and cucumber. So, guys, see. Just see. Just see. See them. Okay. So, and I will get my blender. Right. This is my blender. I will have to get another blender. In case you have one. Can you see? Don't mind me. I joke a lot. So, this is what I'm going to be doing now. I am going to be adding this one after the other. This is my blender. Do not forget, I want to add my carrots. You see, I'm adding my carrots. This is good. If you have not tried it in your home, please try it with your family and friends. You will definitely love it. I don't like, taking fruit like this. It's not my thing. Anyways. So, so yummy. So guys, the next I'm going to add, I've added my carrots. The next I'm going to add is tangerine. I don't really like orange. Are you me? I don't like orange. So the next I'm going to add my grapes. Remember, all these ones are washed. They are already washed. I've washed everything. Make sure you always wash your fruit before taking them or before making your smoothie. So now I'm putting my grapes. You are see, I'm putting my grapes. My grapes. Oh my goodness. How come you guys didn't remind me of something important, which is strawberry? Woo, hold on. Oh my goodness. How did I forget this? Strawberry to make it colorful and tastes good. So I'm going to be washing my strawberry. I'm doing my strawberry. Oh Lord, strawberry. This is going to be delicious because guess what? Cucumber. I love cucumber a lot, but I can't eat it that way. I have to, blend it. Because when I'm eating cucumber raw, I have a kind of feelings. Are you having the kind of feelings I'm talking about? Oh, don't mind me, guys. I play a lot. Okay, now my strawberry is coming. I will have to wash, guys. I will have to wash my strawberry. Yes, I will have to wash my strawberry. So this is strawberry. My strawberry. Oh, all right. Okay, my cucumber. Stop thinking otherwise. I'm going to be slicing it inside, right inside. Oh, it's going inside. It's going inside. Right inside. If I just slice it, I don't know. My blender is getting old, guys. YouTube, I need another blender. I need another blender. I'm going to get a blender very soon. The one for smoothie, the one that can contain a lot of fruits. So, guys, hey, cucumber, oh. Then I'm adding my banana. God have mercy. How many fruits do I have inside this blender? You have to guess, and you will go home with 5,000 naira each. How many fruits do I have in this blender? How many fruits is this? I'm adding my banana. Like 2 banana will do. Ooh, this is ripe banana. It's so good. Stop thinking. Watch this video. Wow. So this is it. No. All right, guys. Do not forget to add your milk. Hold on, my milk. I have a lactate milk. I thought about something now that you need to add to it. It's not compulsory, guys. I just want to try the taste of adding lime. No, of adding little lime. Let's see. I don't know. I'm having it for the first time. I'm happy. I'm adding lime. I want to see the taste. I want to see how the taste will look like. Okay, let's keep blending. In case you are watching me for the first time, make sure you get your jug ready. This is where I put my smoothie. So in case you are watching me for the first time, do endeavor to please share, comment and like. Give me some thumb up now. Encourage me so that I can do more for you guys. Don't worry. My weight loss journey started from smoothie. Is it healthy? Yes or no? How many fruits do I use for this smoothie? Guess and win a sum of 5,000 naira. Show joke in me. Over to 5K. All right, let's proceed. Are you dancing? I'm dancing because I know this will be delicious to take. Woo! My goodness. I can't wait. Shh. All right, let me see. In case you want some smoothie from me, please contact me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Remember, we still have another one to grind. I'm still putting them on. Keep watching. Please. Oh yeah, please. Oh yeah, please. Oh yeah, please. Oh yeah, please now. Please watch, comment, and share. Please encourage your girl. Encourage me. I'm trying. I don't know what to say. I'm trying. Please encourage me by subscribing to this channel. I'm bringing a lot. I'm sorry. Please. Didn't you like what I'm doing? If you do like it and you want to see more of this, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Follow me for more. All right, let me test this one. I added lemon. Remember. Oh my goodness. Woo! Mmm. 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 Wow. The lime really, tastes good. Wow. After this smoothie, what are you taking for breakfast? Do you want to try this? Let me know in the comment section. Do you want to try this? Let me know how much will cost you on the comment section. Thank you. God bless you. Do not forget, after you put your smoothie here, you can add something. Hold on, let me teach you. Add something. Hold on, let me show you. This is ice. Ice. You can add ice. Ooh. Ooh.